Hey you guys, so today I actually went and bought me a thing of celery from Aldi and some carrots. I think they were both $1 a piece. So yeah, and these are some already cut up green onions because I was not cutting. I'm determined to not be in the kitchen this week. And these were some red peppers I had from the last time I sauteed something, and I got one red onion. I'm going to cut that sucker up however it goes. I did at least try to take the skin off because at the end of the day, we just need it in there for what, ladies and gentlemen? Flavor. Now you can saute these things first and then add them however your girl is sick of being in the kitchen. So I cleaned some potatoes that I had. I think I had maybe like two or three of them, and I cut them up in there. And also, always remember to add your water to your canner. I think I'm going to add like 3 or 4 quarts to make sure everything cooked the way I need it to cook. And that's my first whole chicken. I already cleaned her. Make sure you get your vinegar, your baking soda, and all that good stuff. Clean them up real good. Don't be trifling. Clean your chickens, okay? So yeah, that one was my first one. I put two in, and then I'm going to add one of these. Let me sip first because God is good to the girl, and she's out here living. I ain't where I want to be with baby. I am on the motherfucking way. So y'all stay tuned. Anyway, so yeah, these are the quarters. I cleaned them up. Clean your chicken. Don't be trifling. Now, I am using a Presto canner. A lot of people aren't comfortable with them. Get you an electric one, whatever you want to do. So what I'm going to go is get up into my seasoning cabinet, and I have like garlic pepper, onion pepper. Ooh, too much champagne, girl. I have my pepper I want to drop up in there. I like to use my actual herbs as well. I have a lot of those. This is thyme that I'm going to sprinkle up in there. I forgot to get my basil and stuff, but girl, I would go on and on. But I grabbed a little bit of ginger to drop the ginger in there, because it's, that season. People like to get sick and cough and be in your face. Also, let me see. Oh, we got the smoked paprika. We all love a good smoked paprika. What else? Oh, seasoned salt. That's right. We all got that up in the cabinet. Stop playing. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. So I'm going to put that up in there to give it some seasoning because I'm going to cook everything tonight. Um, that might be one of my garlic or my onion powders, child. I was real heavy on that. I grabbed my girl Dash. I like this one. This is my favorite one. This size container, I always get the BJ's. Girl, that reminds me I need to renew my membership. BJ's, I am coming. Okay? But anyway, this is my alfalfa. I love alfalfa because it has a lot of vitamin D and vitamin K. It's other great medicinal properties. You go check that out as you like. I'm going to add that into my meal. Let me see what else we got. Oh yeah, I grabbed some moringa. Yeah, I don't really cook that much moringa, but it's really good for you as well. We're just gonna leave it there. Um, yeah, I don't even know what that one is. I can't see it. Oh yeah, that's my turmeric. You always need turmeric. Turmeric is great during the flu and cold season as well. One more thing. Of course, we need our Worcestershire or whatever you want to call it. I don't know the exact pronunciation of it, but I effing love it. I also have me some liquid smoke. Shout out to the farmers market because they always have that good liquid smoke on deck. I think it's $2.69 in the cut. I got it the last time. This is what my chicken looking like right now, and we're gonna go ahead and run that heat.